Turn on the water tester using the power button. Add a water sample to all 3 measuring chambers with a special syringe, exactly 10 milliliters in each. Cover the measuring chambers with a light protection cap. Press the 0 button. Wait until the countdown ends. Press the T1 button to go to the menu. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired parameter. Click OK to confirm the selected parameter. Squeeze a tablet of DPD number 1 and 1 tablet of DPD number 3 directly into the chamber. Using the special string stick, crush and stir the tablets until they are completely dissolved. Cover the measuring chamber with a light protection cap. Press T1 button. Press OK button and wait until the countdown ends and the test results appear. To turn off the device, press and hold on the off button. After providing the test, obligatory rinse the cuvette with clean water and prepare your tester for the next measurement. Wipe dry the cuvette with a clean cloth. If you have finished testing, pack your tester into the bag. PoolWaterLAB, perfect water, perfect moments, test, trust, and dive in.